Welcome everyone. Today's video I am going to show how you can start to replace credit card or debit card on Wells Fargo. This is about we almost be everything that is going to be related to what we would like to do and how we started to shit through what we would like to do about it on this situation that we can start to help you guys through what is going on here, through what we would like to do about it on the situation that is going to be about it on the level that we can start to underestimate it on the level. Okay, so we have here on the situation. Okay, so we have to be over here about to be here. Okay, so we have to replace your damaged lost to stolen Wells Fargo debit card, credit card. Here on the sign in the Wells Fargo online to request a new replacement card online. Thank you.